Hello friends, welcome again. In this lecture we will learn about other functions, and these functions are very important in your day-to-day of Excel work. First one is Countif, the second one is operators, and then if function. So let's go to the Excel sheet for the exercise. So we will first of all talk about the operators. The two commonly used operators are OR function and AND functions. There are other functions as well, operators, but I will be talking about OR and AND because they are most commonly used here. So let's first of all understand the OR function. What is OR operator? An OR operator, suppose we can give any condition, any number of conditions. If any one of the conditions is fulfilled, and the output result will be true. For example, let's talk about the Indian election. The first criteria of giving the vote in the Indian election, the person should be above the age of 18. The second one is should be the citizen of India. Okay. Now suppose person's age is above 18, but that person is not citizen of India. Only one condition is being met. The OR will give us the true here. Okay. Let's here the OR function, or putting here logical operator is here, should be greater than 18. The second logical operator should be here is C4 should be equal to Indian. Okay, the first condition which I have given, that the age, that is B4, should be greater than 18. The second criteria is that C4, that is the nationality, should be equal to Indian. Okay, I have given only two conditions. It can be any number of conditions, but if in the given conditions only one condition is true, it will return the true here. Okay, true. Similarly, for the AND condition, in AND operator, all the condition has to be true for getting the true output. Okay, otherwise the value will be false. Let's do it. And logical operator should be greater than 18 and C4 nationality should be equal to Indian. It's true. Okay, let's autofill it. False. See, in second row, that Ram, whose age is below 16 but has Indian nationality, OR operator is giving a true condition because one of the conditions is being fulfilled. In AND condition, only one condition is being fulfilled, that is the Indian condition, but age is not above 18. That is why it is giving the false. Similarly, for Adam, the nationality is USA and age is above 25. The OR will give us the true and AND will give us the false, because in AND one of the conditions is not true and OR only one of the conditions is true. In Eve, the age is 17 and nationality is USA. Both of the conditions not meeting, so that's why OR and AND is giving us the false. Okay, now let's go back to if function. Okay, now how to if function is the like a argument. If this argument is not correct, what should be the alternate outcome? Okay, so the wizard which we use for the if condition is if okay. See here, first of all, logical test will be there. If the value is true, what will be the outcome? If value is false, what will be outcome? It is giving us the options. Okay, now in this table we have been given the name of the students and what grade they have obtained, and now we using the if function. We need to fill this empty cells with the yes or no. If the student has got the A grade, then it has to be yes. If they have got B grade or C, it has to be no. So how it can be done? Like for grade, put it here, and if it is equal to A grade, then put the value yes. If not, put the value no. Okay, and now enter. Okay, now autofill it. See, Now see that Nancy has got A grade, so it is yes. And Brian has got B grade, is no. Asima has got the C grade, that is no. So A yes, B no, A yes, B no. Let's do it again for better understanding. I will do it with formula. If logical test grade is equal to A, if P4 is matching with A grade, then the outcome has to be yes, and the outcome has to be, if it's not matching, the outcome has to be no. Close the bracket, no. Okay, auto fill it. Okay, and in this here, what is asking, if A or B, if any of this condition is matched, then it should be yes. So if manually, how it can be done? If it is coming A, it has to be yes, B yes, C no. Okay, if any of the matching. Now how to use it? Like if condition, and here we will use the OR operator. If condition, logical test. Here logical test, for that we will use OR function. First of all, logical test is B is grade equal to A grade, and B4 is equal to B grade, and close it. If value is true, put it yes. Is value false, put it no. Close bracket, enter. Okay, and autofill it. See there, here the grade A is yes, B is yes, and C is no. Okay, you understood? If we can also use the AND condition as well, like instead of OR condition, see what happens. Or logical test, AND equal to B4 A, B4 B, values true, values okay. Now see, I already told you, if both the condition has to be true, only then it will give us the yes, otherwise no. Okay, the next function we will learn about the Countif. Okay, the first of all, there Countif is a two functions, Countif and Countifs. In Countif only we need to give the only one condition and then it will count. And Countifs we can give any number of condition, then it can count. So first of all, let's understand Countif. Countif okay, and suppose now I need to count the number of students who has got the grade A grade. How many students must have got A grade? Okay, what is the range here? Range is this one, this column, and the criteria is A grade. Student must have got the A grade. Close. Only 6 students has got the A grade, and you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how, by giving our own condition, you can count the how many students has got the grades there. Now let's do it once more. How many students have got the B grade? Countif, the range, we need to select the range where the counting has to be done. Okay, criteria B grade. 5 students have got the B grade. Okay, now suppose I am adding one more condition. Count the number of students has got the A grade in math subject. That is the two condition I have given. So in this case we need to use the Countif function. Countif function. The first case criteria range. First criteria range is this one. And what is the criteria? It should be equal to A. Now we need to give the second criteria range, and what is the criteria is equal to, should be equal to maths. Only one student has got the A grade in maths. You can also check it here. A grade physics, A grade chemistry, A grade maths. Only this 11 student has got the A grade here. Thank you and bye.